and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna try some bleach, tie and dye. It will be first time that I'll be doing it, so I just want you to accompany me. I had this tracksuit which got stained from Pilot Pen ink. I don't know how it happened. It was my favorite tracksuit. You must have seen a lot of videos on my Instagram if you are following me there. If you don't, please do follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. We are gonna try bleach, tie and dye on this tracksuit and this sweatshirt which got old, and it is from Madame. And yeah, so to start the process you will need bleach obviously, and I have this Rain fabric whitener. You will need water, gloves, rubber bands to tie the fabric, sprinkle bottle to sprinkle the water, and squeeze bottle to take a control of how much liquid you want to spread on the fabric. So let's start the process. I'm using this water bottle and I put a hole on its lid. If you want, you can take proper squeeze bottle. Just shake it well to mix it. To dilute the bleach, take a squeeze bottle or any bottle like me and fill it half with water and half with fabric bleach. Take the garment you want to try this bleach, tie and dye and start grabbing some section and try to hold it together with the rubber bands. If you are using a stained cloth like me, make sure to keep them upside so that you can bleach that area properly. Once you are done with the tying, sprinkle some water on the cloth using sprinkler. I like the usage of sprinkler, so I'm using sprinkler to bleach as well. If you want, you can use squeeze bottle. And then just spray the bleach solution properly onto the tied fabric. Using the same steps, I am processing my sweatshirt in the same way. I kept them overnight and in the morning they are looking like this. It seems these rubber bands got weakened as they are breaking easily. I am opening all the ties now. As the clothes are chemically treated, it is necessary to wash them properly. So I'm washing them in the machine but without any detergent, just with water. They are still damp, but unfortunately I can see the stains, and to get rid of them I'm putting more bleach onto it. And in the meanwhile, I did the same process with the hoodie, but this time I'm using neck cream to tie it instead of rubber band. And here are the results. I'm not quite happy with this one as it was stained, and to get rid of those stains I used extra bleach, due to which those portions got little lighter than the rest of the patches, which is looking quite awkward. I love this one. This is looking nice and quite soothing for eyes. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and you may try this little experiment with bleach to your old garments to give them new life, or maybe they will die hard, but it's fun. Why not to do it? Stay tuned to my channel and stay connected. Spread love. Sayonara.